Frito pie meaning. Frito pie, what is it? Corn chips, commonly Fritos, are combined with cheese, chili, and other ingredients to make Frito pie. Frito pie is frequently combined and served straight in the chip bag, however the same mixture is occasionally served in a dish. Chili and cheese are frequently the two main fillings for Frito pies, though the exact components used can vary. The U.S.'s southwestern, southern, and midwestern areas, particularly Texas, are where Frito pie is most popular. Frito pie is well known at sporting events and fairs in locations where the word is used. Walking taco is a word used in some regions, mainly the Midwest, to describe what is known as Frito pie in other regions. However, walking tacos, which are typically consumed straight out of a bag of chips, frequently have taco fillings rather than chili, though they may have many ingredients in common, namely seasoned ground beef and shredded cheese. The best comfort meal in my opinion is Frito pie, which transports me back to a Friday night high school football game.